Hello and welcome to the online classes of computer science with Python. This is Renuka and today we are going to discuss about Boolean algebra. So objectives of our session will be introduction of Boolean algebra, applications, logical operators, truth tables, tautology and fallacy, logic gates and their types, and after that the practical application of logic gates, and then how to draw logic gates circuit diagram. So moving to the introduction of Boolean logic. So first we will discuss that what Boolean algebra is, or what was the need for Boolean algebra. Have you ever wondered how a computer can do something like balancing a checkbook or playing chess or just executing a DVD? These are the things that just a few decades ago only human can do. Now computers do them with much ease. How can a chip made up of silicon and wires do something that seems like it requires human thought? If you want to know the answer to this situation, so first let's understand about Boolean logic. So Boolean logic was originally developed by mathematician George Boole in between 1815 to 1864. It was described as an algebra of logic, an algebra of two values. An algebra of logic means either the value is true or false, so it is also known as algebra of two values, that is true or false. So basically in Boolean algebra there are expressions with results either true or false. So where we can use Boolean algebra, so various applications, like it is used to perform the logical operations in digital computers which results in true or false. Logical operations are performed by logical operators, and these logical operators are AND, OR and NOT. So three logical operators we are going to use in Boolean algebra, that is AND, OR, NOT. AND says that x dot y, if x is input, y is input, then the result, this is AND operator, and the result will be x dot y. So it generates true value only if all the inputs are true. So that is AND operator. OR operator, it is x plus y. If the two inputs, out of two inputs, if either is 1, then the result will be 1. NOT operator, it performs the negation, means if the input is 1 then output will be 0, and if input is 0 then output will be 1. So next comes the truth tables. So truth tables is a table that contains all possible values of logical variables. So as many as values you can store possible combinations and then find out the result for that Boolean expression. So we'll consider this example. In this example we are taking two inputs x and y. So the two inputs are x and y, and how many input combinations can be there, that we can decide with the help of 2 raised to power n, this formula. 2 raised to power n says that if n is 1 then combinations can be 2. If n is 2, that means if number of input is 2, जैसे यहाँ पर हमारे पास इस सर्किट में AND गेट में नंबर ऑफ इनपुट क्या है, 2 है, x और y. सो उस केस में हमारे पास कॉम्बिनेशंस कितने बनेंगे इनपुट के, 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. So how you will make the combinations? First x and y can be 0, x and y can be both 1. 1 0 1 and another is 1 and 0. So these could be the possible combinations, and when it gives result, so that is truth table. So this type of table in which we give the possible values of logical variables, these are logical variables x and y which are useful for taking input, and after giving values for logical variables we take the result. So if it is AND operator, AND gate, so if 0 0 then 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1, so that means output will be 1 if both the inputs are 1. So this type of representation of input values and then output also, that is known as truth table. Then comes tautology and fallacy. If the output of any Boolean expression is always 1, that is tautology, and if the output of any boolean expression is always 0, that is fallacy. Logical gates. Now what are logical gate? A gate is a digital circuit which operates on one or more signals and produce single output. So basically all the chips are designed, or the circuits are designed with the help of these gates. So these gates helps to produce the output, and the output depends on the input signal also. So three types of gates we are going to use: and, or, not. AND gate. So this is the symbol of AND gate, like this, and two input and output is 1. It is not always necessary that there will be two input. 3 can be there, 4 can be there, depending on your requirement. So how many number of combinations will be there, that you can decide with the help of number of inputs. If two input are there like A and B, then 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 combinations. If 3 input are there, suppose A, B, C, in that case 2 raised to power 3, that is 8 combinations. So here in our example we are having two inputs A and B, so combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If you can think of any other combination, you can think and discuss, but there are only 4 possible combinations for two variables. Now output will be generated only 1 if all the inputs are high, means all the inputs are 1, and that is only in this case, last case. So it is 1. In rest of the cases the output is 0. Moving next to OR gate. OR gate symbol is this. This is OR gate with two inputs and one output. Output will be 1, whether 2 input or 3 input are there, output will always be 1. So OR gate says that the output will be 1 if any of the one input is 1. If any single input is 1, then also the output will be 1. Here 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. अगर कोई एक भी इनपुट 1 होगा, जैसे यहाँ पर है और इसमें तो दोनों ही है, तो अगर कोई एक भी इनपुट 1 होगा तो आउटपुट 1 जनरेट होगा, दैट इज OR gate. Then comes NOT gate, means reversal. This is the symbol of NOT gate. Here input is 1 and output will always be 1. Always input is always 1, output also 1, not more than 1 input. So here if input is 1, output will be 0, and if input is 0, output will be 1, means opposite of the input, that is NOT gate. Now we have studied AND or NOT gate, but what are the practical applications where we can use these gates? So first discuss about AND gate. So while going out of the house, you see the alarm switch. If the burglar enters, he will see the person switch and tada, the alarm will ring. So that is AND gate. Then electronic door will only open if it detects a person and the switch is set to unlocked. दोनों काम होने चाहिए, पर्सन भी डिटेक्ट होना चाहिए और स्विच भी अनलॉक होना चाहिए. If the switch is unlocked and person, it detects a person, then it will not open the gate. It will only open the gate if both the conditions are satisfied. Likewise, microwave will start only if the start button is pressed and the door close. अगर आपका माइक्रोवेव का डोर बंद नहीं हुआ है और स्टार्ट बटन आपने प्रेस किया तो माइक्रोवेव ऑपरेट नहीं करेगा. दैट इज ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लॉजिक AND gate. Then OR gate, doorbell to ring when someone presses either the front door switch or the back door switch. Either way, either front door or back door, you can do the entry. NOT gate, when the temperature falls below 20 degrees Celsius, the NOT gate will set on the internal heating system. Okay, so if temperature is less than 20 degrees Celsius, then it will start working. If it is greater than 20 degrees Celsius, it will stop working. So opposite of the input. So these are the practical applications of logic gates. Then come the another gate, that is NAND gate, and followed by NOT. This is combination of two gates and followed by NOT. First we use and then NOT, like this, or combination is this also. This way also we can represent. So two inputs and output is one. Input can be more than two. So it says NAND gates, if 0 0 input then 1, because it is what? AB complement, and AB AB is AND of A and B. This is, and after that is NOT is complement. So whatever will be the here the value of AB, that is 0 0 for it is 0, 0 1 it is 0, 1 0 it is 0, 1 1 it is 1, because it is saying A B. As we discussed earlier that AND gate says that both the input should be 1, then only the output will be 1. So 0 0 1 and now NOT of AB, this one means reverse of all these outputs, 0 ka 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 0. So this is for NAND gate. They're very simple, just you have to pay the attention carefully. If you want to understand, then only you can understand. Exclusive OR says that if both the inputs are same, in that case the output will be 0. If any of one input is 1, then only the output will be 1. So that is exclusive OR, means either one of the input should be 1, then only the output will be 1. And this is the symbol for exclusive OR truth gate. Then exclusive NOR, it says that it is just the opposite of exclusive OR. Whatever is the output here, we will just complement it. 0 की जगह 1 कर देंगे, 1 की जगह 0 कर देंगे. So it will be 1 0 0 1. So that is exclusive NOR truth table, and this is the symbol for exclusive NOR. Now how to draw a circuit diagram? Suppose we have this expression y is equal to AB bar then B C complement. So here we can just first understand that we need 3 input A, B and C. So first we will draw the lines for 3 inputs A, B and C, and next we need AB complement. AB is what? AND. So first we will make AB and that is complement, it will become NAND. So make NAND gate here and then A and B. So till here it will be AB, then after this it will be AB complement, and then C complement we need. So C, and here is NOT gate. So from here we will be having C complement, and then take both as input. Here this third will be not considered because this third also will be considered because we need B also. So B is coming from here. So AB complement from here, B from here and C complement from here. So it will finally result into AB complement, B C complement. So Y is equal to AB complement, B C complement. Once again we will understand A from here, then B from here, then it is AB, then NAND gate will convert it into AB complement, take it as input further, then B from here we will take B, then C negative, C here, and NOT gate will convert it into C negative, and that we can take from here, and then combine, because that is in between there is dot operator, not plus operator, so we will use AND gate and it is the output. This is how you can draw the circuit diagram. So here is the further few practices for you to draw the circuit diagram. Go through the video, go through these questions, and thank you very much. Stay tuned for next video.